Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to hide our Wi-Fi network in case you don't want people to know that you have Wi-Fi, but you just want to hide it. Some people, they decide to change the names, but it's not that safe anyway. Someone can say that this thing is crazy powerful whenever it comes close to your house or to your room. So now what we decided today is to learn how to do what, to change, to hide that. So once you hide that, no one can know that you have a network unless if you give them a name. And if you give them a name, what will happen? They will search. You see on the phone there is somewhere you go and try to see, type in the hidden what networks, you get me? So those hidden networks can be found after when somebody is told the name, you get me? So that's the thing. So you type in the name, then you get it. So now here we don't have, we want to create that exactly. You go to, but we have a modem called 5G, the one for 5G Huawei. So the every modem, in most cases things change, but the protocol could be the same. So what you do, say 192.168.8.1, then you say enter. Once you enter, you're gonna type in your password, username and password here, then you log in. I wonder why it's taking time. Okay, it's in here. You can see a lot of things here. Okay, so what you do, you click on wireless networks. Okay, click on that. The modem is slow, and what you do, there are many here. So here you can say display ID, whatever, password, whatever, but what we want is here SSID. So once you enable this, it simply means now your thing is what is hidden. So once it's hidden, so it simply means no one can see that you have a Wi-Fi unless if you give them what, your username, unless if you give them that username and they search it. So but they don't, the Wi-Fi does not display like when you open your phone and try to see how many Wi-Fi networks are there. You know, you find this one, then you connect to whichever you want. So what you do, you switch off, you switch on here. So once we switch on, it's gonna do that. So also here, it's this helps you to connect to create a separate virtual network. Also you can switch it off if you want to. Also here you can switch it off, you get me? So that's it, guys. That's the way to do that. But those people, there are people who say, I want to know how to create a what, this is gonna be a bonus thing. I want to know how to set up my Wi-Fi on 5G modem Huawei. So what you do is the same thing here. You come, okay, I wanted to explain also here. You can see here there are 2G and 5G. So 2G, this one is very, very good when you're in the same room, you get me, or same floor. But this is the best because it penetrates through walls and can go far. You know, the range is higher. I believe if you log into your Wi-Fi and you want to set in a new Wi-Fi, leave it on 2G. Because 5G, this one I don't think is better, because it could be faster when you're in the same room and very stronger. But then once you leave the room, it becomes a problem. You can even not catch if you go to the second floor or to third floor or something. But this one, even if you go to the second floor, third floor, or next room, so it penetrates through the walls. That's why we say you can leave this. If you want to disable your Wi-Fi, you just click here, then you disable it. It means that there's no Wi-Fi now, so all people who are connected, you disconnected them, you understand? So this, you leave it the way it is. If you want to, don't change that. SSID, now here you can this is where you create your own username, your own Wi-Fi name. So here you can type in anything you want. For instance, you can call your Wi-Fi Azania the way you want. Then here maximum number of devices. You can say 32, 1 to 32 maximum. Maybe you can say 7 if you want to kick out some people, you get me, in case the people are connected to the password Wi-Fi, you don't know, you say I want maybe 10, or if you know you connected 10, so whoever didn't connect, those ones who are connected gonna be kicked out. So the extra from 10, so what's gonna happen, those extra ones, they're gonna come to you and they tell you, oh, hey, we don't have Wi-Fi. Say, who gave you the password? Then you're gonna catch those who you did not give. Even you can put it on 1, which means only one person is connected. So other people who claims that they have this, then they can't come to you. So if they didn't steal the password, so I'm gonna put back to 32. Also, that is a very, very, very good thing. So here that's why we came here. If you want to enable this, to remember what we did. So we're hiding the Wi-Fi here. This we explained it, and so here you leave it to where it is, security, then protect management frame, you leave it to enabled. So here that's when you can change your password if you want. After that, then you just say apply. So when you apply, those changes gonna work immediately, so nothing's gonna be delayed. So let's see if we can show you something else here. We can see if we can show you something else. Advanced setting. Okay, advanced setting here, the frequency of this 4G, 2G, that's why it's always in here. So you leave it the way it is. Channel, leave it to auto, which is the best one. MAC addresses, this is, you enable them and stuff, leave that like that. System, reset, restart, and all that. No, there's somewhere I wanted to show you something, which antennas. This modem doesn't have antennas, it has only inbuilt antennas, you get me, that's why it's called auto. So if you say fixed, maybe there is somehow you can connect them, but there's nothing which shows that you can connect that, you get me. So diagonalize, logo, we can maintain, export, management, start, restart, whatever, reset, all those things. Lock SA. There's something I wanted to show you guys. I think it's under security here. On security, we see IP address, whatever. Filtering. You see, every tab you click, it's gonna give you new features. So URL. Now I wanted to show you port forwarding. Let me see on that. SCR, DM. Okay, let me see SCR. Okay, apply, disable. These are bonuses, but what we came in here, we did it long time. So when you go home, it shows you different things here. So LAN, internet, yes, here. It seems like I don't see those settings I wanted to show you guys, because sometimes when you make a video, you must make some bonus things to do, you get me. So here it seems like I don't see those things. Maybe they updated the modem, and those settings are not here. So there's some way where you say, okay, URL filtering. So here you can add a URL you don't want somebody to visit, you get me. So in modem, like maybe at work, they block Facebook. If you don't want Facebook to be working here, or pornography sites, you put in 1, you apply, put in another 2, you apply, put in another 3. So whoever try to visit that site, they will never visit it as long as they are on this network. So this is the way sometimes at work they do. They go to the modem and put in some URL. Some they put in YouTube, they save. They put in Facebook, they save. They put in Twitter, because they don't want you to play on Twitter when you're at work. You don't want you to play with anything when you're busy at work. So that's the thing I wanted to show you guys. So you can block that. So also there are many things you can block. Also IPs, MAC IPs, you get me. Someone's IP, you filter in here, then you get those MAC IPs, you block people, you understand, things like that. So once you block people, you know that this computer or this phone will never connect. Maybe you want to connect only your friends, you give them passwords, then those ones you don't want to be connected, you can put their MAC addresses and stop them from connecting to the network. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. If we missed out something, please try to put that in the comment box below. See you in the next video.